A man, faced with the pressing need to relieve himself, frantically searches for a restroom. If he knows that Chinese word, life would be much easier.
Hello, fellow Chinese language learners. Welcome to an exciting journey to explore the most common and captivating places you'll encounter during your travels in China and pick up some useful Chinese vocabulary along the way. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let us embark on this thrilling adventure.
Our first stop is the restaurant, 餐厅, 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 or eatery, 饭店, 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 where you will discover the rich diversity of Chinese cuisine. From savory dumplings to aromatic Peking duck, get ready to delight your taste buds. And don't forget to stroll down the vibrant food street, 美食街, 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 for a variety of local delicacies. You won't be able to resist the temptation. Next, let's delve into the world of indulgent shopping. Whether you are exploring a shopping mall, 商场, 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 duty-free shop, 免税店, 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 or supermarket, 超市, 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 you'll discover a treasure trove of latest fashion trends, exquisite luxury goods, and everyday essentials just waiting to accompany you back home. For a taste of authentic local life, don't miss the vibrant open-air market, 自由市场, 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 where you can engage in lively haggling with friendly vendors, and when you explore the farmers market, 农贸市场, 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 which is essentially an open-air market, primarily offers fresh produce. Be sure to grab some juicy, locally sourced fruits to enhance your journey's flavor. Now let's immerse ourselves in China's rich culture and knowledge. You can visit the library to delve into history, 图书馆, 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 explore the art gallery to discover captivating artworks, 美术馆, 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 or wander through the museum to explore the treasures of the past, 博物馆, 博物馆, 博物馆. For those with an academic spirit, local schools and universities open the doors to China's education system. 学校, 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 大学, 大学, 大学. Here we have Xi'an First Middle School, 中学, 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 and Xi'an Jiaotong University. If you wish to explore the campus, don't hesitate to approach a student for assistance. 小学, 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 elementary school. Time for some entertainment. We'll visit cinema, 电影院, 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 and theater, 剧院, 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 allowing you to catch the latest Chinese films or immerse yourself in traditional local performances, like the popular Shanxiqing Opera. Moving forward, we'll make a stop at the train station, 火车站, 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 and airport, 机场, 机场, 机场. Here you can hop on a high-speed train or catch a flight to your next city, experiencing China's intensive long-distance transportation network firsthand. For inner-city travel and local exploration, convenient bus stops and subway stations are easily accessible. 公交车车站, 公交车站, 公交站, 车站 have same meaning. That is bus station. 地铁站, 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 metro station. As you immerse yourself in a city, you may suddenly find yourself with immediate needs, whether it's a visit to a nearby barber shop, 理发店, 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 for a fresh haircut, or a quick stop at the restroom. Rest assured, solutions are readily available, so continue your exploration and savor every moment of your journey. 厕所, 厕所, 厕所 means a toilet. 洗手间, 洗手间, 洗手间 means a restroom. 洗手 means to wash your hands. 卫生间，卫生间，卫生间 also means a restroom. 卫生 means hygiene. You can connect with the beauty of nature at local parks. 公园，公园，公园 through tranquil walks. Or seek adrenaline pumping adventures at amusement parks. 游乐园，游乐园，游乐园 with thrilling rides and exciting games. If your schedule is not tight, enjoy a rejuvenating visit to the gym. 健身房，健身房，健身房 and a swimming pool. 游泳池，游泳池，游泳池 Stay fit and refreshed while immersing yourself in the local culture. Unwind at a cafe, 咖啡馆，咖啡馆，咖啡馆 with aromatic tea or coffee. For those seeking adventure, embrace nightlife at a lively bar, 酒吧，酒吧，酒吧 providing you with the opportunity to socialize and mingle with locals. After a day of exploration, it's time to find your pre-booked comfortable hotel, 酒店，酒店，酒店 or hostel for a peaceful night's rest. 青旅，青旅，青旅 青旅 is short for 青年旅社 Feel free to strike up conversations with the friendly staff and locals. Enjoy the warm hospitality and practice your Chinese with the friendly staff. Good night. Staying healthy is essential while traveling. If you find yourself under the weather, don't worry. We've got you covered. Pay a visit to a hospital, 医院，医院，医院 or pharmacy, 药店，药店，药店 For financial matters, we'll visit a bank, 银行，银行，银行 where you can handle your money transactions with ease. If you need to send postcards or parcels or stay connected with friends and family back home, we'll also make a stop at the post office, 邮局，邮局，邮局 If you require any assistance with your travel plans, a travel agency, 旅行社，旅行社，旅行社 is there to guide you.
Congratulations on completing this incredible cultural journey. We hope you've enjoyed this immersive and educational experience. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding the culture and the people behind the language. So keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time. Goodbye.